Okay, so while many states call drunk driving DUI, which is driving under the influence, or DWI, which is driving while impaired, in Massachusetts, drunk driving is actually called OUI, which stands for operating under the influence. And operating under the influence involves the operation of a car or another type of vehicle on a highway, on a street, or another road, or any other place where the public has a right of access. And that could mean even a parking lot. And then you have to be operating while you're under the influence of either alcohol or drugs. So a key element of the definition of OUI is operating. And this doesn't just mean that you're driving a car in the usual sense that people think about it. If you're sitting in your car at the roadside and you have the key of the ignition with the accessories on, like you're listening to the radio or something like that, that's technically considered operation in Massachusetts. Basically, intentionally manipulating anything that's mechanical or electrical that could set that vehicle in motion is considered operation. Under the influence, meanwhile, doesn't necessarily mean that you're falling down drunk. It can mean that your alertness and your reflexes are simply impaired to the point where you cannot drive safely. An OUI charge doesn't require a person to necessarily be driving unsafely. You can be driving perfectly fine and you could be found guilty of OUI because you either blew above a 0.08 on a breathalyzer test, or you were otherwise impaired to the point where you should not have been driving, even if your driving seems okay.